This is a VoCoVo call point. VoCoVo call points can be used in lots of different places. They give colleagues and customers an easy way to request assistance when they need it. You'll see a touch-sensitive button on the front of your call point. Colleagues and customers can press this when they need assistance. When a call point is pressed, everyone on your team will hear a preset message through their VoCoVo device. Use the menu option to access callbacks and press the Push to Talk button to be connected to the customer. You can have a two-way conversation using the built-in mic and speaker. To deactivate the call point manually, imagine the call point's touch button is a clock face. Put your finger at 12 o'clock and swipe slowly down to 6 o'clock. The LED ring will flash red to show you that the call point has been deactivated. Taking care of your call point couldn't be easier. Just wipe it down with an antibacterial wipe and you're good to go. For any further assistance, please contact your support help desk.